Hi everybody, just a quick video for everybody out there who's having trouble with the Nvidia app when it comes to screen capture, making videos that are recorded straight from your desktop for games or tutorials or anything like that, where you experience the problem where it seems to be now, probably after an update, using the wrong codec. So you'll go into a video you've recorded, you'll try and play it, and it'll say it's using unencoded settings. Now, this tutorial isn't going to show you how to solve that, but it is going to show you how you can review the videos. Because myself, when I'm recording screen captures, normally I record them, say gameplay or something like a tutorial off the desktop, and then basically I upload it straight to YouTube. But the problem is I can't review it before I do, because I go to Media Player, Media Player says, this is the wrong thing. So you can still review them. And the way you do it is actually through the Nvidia app. So press Alt-Z to bring the overlay up. And you'll see at the top, the gallery is there of the things you've captured. So it means you can double click on something.
Everybody,
and you can play it
for people out there who are,
and it will show you there. Whereas if I was in the Microsoft or plenty of other media players, it wouldn't. So there we go. So all is not lost. Now, obviously, there's probably going to be proper tutorials out there that show you how to solve the driver problem. But I've got a funny feeling with this particular case, it's a media player driver, a media player codecs problem, rather maybe with a problem with the Nvidia capture software. So there we go. So obviously, this isn't solving the problem in terms of making the Nvidia screen capture, the Nvidia video capture files compatible with media player, but what it does do is it means that you can review them, especially in the case where what I always do is, before I'm going to do a long video, I'll just record a testing 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2 type capture, just to check the mic's working and things like that, and then I quickly replay it, so that you don't spend half an hour recording a tutorial or recording some gameplay only to find that you were using the wrong mic and you can't hear anything. So there we go. All you've got to do is press Alt-Z, and that should bring up the Nvidia Overlay. And from here, you can review in the gallery files that you've recorded that aren't playable on Windows Media Player. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. If it has been, hit like. If you want to see more of the same, press subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.